Although we won't dwell on this, but here, this is the thing that came with the Commodore 16. It's special learning cartridge mailer. So, complete and mail the attached card and we'll send you, at no extra cost, a special learning cartridge to help you learn how to use your Commodore 16 computer. And it has been ripped off. And I did have a looky. Here's the instructions for it. Anyway, we will not dwell on that. Maybe, who knows? Maybe we'll find it in here. I don't see it. I just don't see it. But here, ooh, look. C16 Basic Guide. Indeedy. What? Basic Command Guide. So, oh, this tiny little print. Looks similar, but what is this? Basics box. Guess let's see if we could draw a box. Scratch. Okay, so it wasn't exactly basic 2, but I'm sure it wasn't involved. It evolved something. What is a draw thing? 4-2-step get key. Input graphic. Anyway, more treasures for the Commodore 16. Let's just glance in here for a moment. Oh, wait, it's not over. This, too, has seen a lot of life. Look, it's the Commodore 16 owner's guide. I somewhere have a Commodore 16 or 2 around. Mostly, they're not working, and from what I was told by Stephen Gray, it's the Ted chip that is the problem. Who would thought a chip with such a friendly name like Ted would be the problem? This, too, has seen a lot of life. Looking at the keyboard. Looking at the keyboard. Now, let's see, how many pages of invaluable information? 57 pages. Oh, look, and the last one says, etc. Oh, beautiful. Alright, okay, oh, look. Here's the little book for the 1531. And it's not in terrible shape. Not terrible. It actually looks in some ways better than the 1531 itself. Oh yeah, they had a funny little plug on the back. Like a DIN plug or something. I don't know how well you can see that. Yep, nothing like Commodore having a standard thing and then saying, nah, we're going to change it. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for coming. We'll continue to dig into this box of surprises. You just never know what's coming out next. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.